In today's tutorial, we'll be learning how to sew a well-relaxed inseam pocket for pants. You can see how relaxed this one is. And for the two-piece, I've also posted a tutorial video on how to go about it. Just look at how beautiful the finishing of this zipper is. You can see this shirt is having a collar. So if you go to that video, learn every detail of how to make this two-piece for a baby boy. Let's get started on how to sew the pocket. So when you are done cutting your trouser, you sew the crotch allowance area. Then from here, you're going to come down by 1 inch. Then you pick one piece of the pocket and you place it this way. Starting from that 1 inch that you marked down, you can use your pin to hold it so it can stay in place. Then use your pin to hold it to secure it to stay in place so you don't make mistake. After that, I'm going to show you how you sew it following a straight line. So now you're going to place it on your sewing machine. This place that you placed it from that 1 inch, you're going to sew with half an inch. So firstly, you're going to top stitch that place. Then you sew. Take it easy, half an inch. You sew straight till you get to the last point. Okay. So when you get to this other point, you're also going to go ahead and top stitch. Then you remove it. I'll trim out the thread and remove the pins. After that, I'm going to notch here till I get to the point that I sewed. Make sure you're careful not to cut the thread. Here as well, I will notch here as well. And then you give little notches on this place that you sewed, that half an inch. You have to be careful so you don't cut the thread. This is to make the pocket relaxed when you place it inside. So you're now going to shift it. You can see this place, make sure it's facing this other side. Then you go ahead and top stitch on it. This actually you're making a two top stitch, okay? But this is the first one. You open it up very well. As you're top stitching, you keep opening it, make sure you open it very well and you top stitch there. So after that, cut out the excess thread and then we are going to go ahead and run a second top stitch after now. Place the pocket inside this way. Make sure you arrange it very well. You can go ahead and iron it if you want to make sure that you make it relax very well. Then you go ahead and top stitch. This time around, you top stitch close to that line that you sewed. Just place your sewing machine, you back stitch, and then you top stitch very close to the extreme. Okay, very close to the extreme. Now you'll be seeing the thread that you're top stitching, the line you're top stitching, you'll be seeing it. So you top stitch till you get to this point as well, and then you back stitch. With this, your pocket will be so relaxed and very neat and beautiful. So you repeat this process for other four, one the other side and the other part of the trouser too. Repeat the process. After you are done, it's now time to join the two trouser pieces, that is the front and the back. So like this, you're just going to lay it front, right side facing right side. Remember, you're supposed to sew with 1 inch. You have already sewn the pocket with half inch. So when you arrange it very well, make sure that you arrange this pocket to be equal. So from here, you're going to start sewing with 1 inch. Okay, 1 inch, so that when you get to that pocket area, it will now remain half inch from what is left there. Then you sew till you get to this hem part. So let's do it now. This is what I said. You're going to place the pieces like this and you sew from 1 inch. Okay, so you just follow up to see what I'm doing here, how I go about it. You arrange it, make sure that the pocket is outside and you arrange it very well. Make sure that the two is equal. Then you go ahead and sew around the pocket. So when you get to this point now, you're going to raise the machine and turn it this way, and then you sew through the pocket. You have to be careful, just make sure, just have pressure and make sure that the pocket is together. One is not longer than the other. Okay, so you now sew round the pocket this way. I'm going to just sew it round. You keep arranging, keep arranging. This from here you know that your pocket will come out very well, very neat and very beautiful. If you do not arrange it very well, after now one will be longer than the other, and that will give you issue and the pocket will not be relaxed. So you keep arranging it till you get to this other point. So this is the same process you will take for the other part. Okay, the same process you take for the other part. It's very easy. So thank you for watching. This is just a short video how to sew the pocket. As I did not add this video on the making of the two piece, I decided to drop the video for those that might be asking how I sewed the pocket. I know it's not something that you might be interested in learning, but at least give this video a like. Bye.